What's up, guys? So I got me a set of some just trailing arm bushings, just factory replacement ones off of eBay for like 17 bucks. And so I found my buddy Justin from 79th Productions. He hooked me up with a set of rear disc brakes off of a CRX for my hatchback. And so I got the full conversion. I got the master cylinder, the proportion valve, and so I said, hell, before I put these on, I'm going to go ahead and swap out these old wore out bushings, because you can see how cracked they are and how they're about just falling apart. So I'm going to show you how to swap this out. And basically, I'm just going to try to tap it out and see what happens. If not, I'm going to add a little heat or some PB blaster, and we'll see what happens. So let's try this. So if you look at this, see how one side's sticking out farther than the other? If you look on here, here's the rotor. So it's actually the longer sides on the inside. And when we push this back in, it's got to be flush. So it's got to be straight up and down. So we need to mark our orientation. All right, so I'm going to actually mark the tops and the bottom. I'm just going to use some whiteout to kind of just make me a mark. So here's where this is lined up. So I'm just going to put me a white mark here and straight up and down right here, and that'll at least give me an orientation. All right, so now we can drive this thing out, and then we'll mark our other one the same way. Okay, let's try to knock this thing out. Definitely coming out, so let's keep going. This is where I'm at. There we go. You just beat the crap out of it and it'll pop right on out. So there's that. So I just beat on both sides of it until it came out. So now to install the next one, remember, the long side goes on the inside. What we're going to do is line this straight up and down. So what I did is you see where this little dot is and that hole is? I just tried to line it up straight with those. All right, so now I'm going to tap it in lightly on both sides. Oh, shit. If you look at the old one and you see where it's sitting in orientation, it's just back behind this ledge. It's actually about flush on the bottom side. So you can see it's pretty much just about flush. On the back side, on the factory one, sticking out about that far. So on here, I've got it just past right there, and the bottom needs to go in just a little bit, and then we'll be done. So I tap that in. That feels the same all the way across. And that is how you can swap out a trailing arm bushing set with just a hammer and about 17 bucks. Thanks for watching, guys. Guys, hope you enjoyed that video on doing the trailing arm bushing swap out. It's real simple and easy, so I hope y'all would do it as well. And stay tuned to working on the CRV and doing a B20 swap in my EF hatch. So I got all the parts to do a B series swap, including a GSR trans and all the parts on the shelf to go B series. So I'll be doing a head gasket swap on here soon. So stay tuned.